Okay, we're going to do a quick video here on the importance of having a furnace maintained. That crack you see, which goes around to the back, is called a heat exchanger, and it's cracked. There's one on every single chamber in this furnace. Right there. Along with the venting, which hooks up the furnace. Here it is here, the long crack in the venting all the way down the pipe. And inside the furnace, another crack. And this one is all the way across here. It's been leaking a lot of water. The only safety device on this furnace is this switch. Obviously, it isn't working, which is common on a lot of old equipment. Therefore, that's the importance of having an annual inspection done on your equipment by somebody who actually cares and knows what they're doing.